Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do my makeup routine, everyday makeup routine with my airbrush system. So I got this airbrush system from Amazon for $43 and something cents, so basically $44, and I've been using it ever since. And guys, I love this airbrush, like literally love this airbrush. The only stuck thing about it is that the cleaning part, it just takes a while to clean, and that's the only stuck thing about it. Other than that, I love it. So you can see I have acne blemishes. Let me come close up to you guys. Acne and blemishes. This side is great, a little bit better than this side. I don't know what's going on, but you can check with my skincare routine that my skin got a lot better. But I don't know if because it's the time of the month, on Flo is coming, she's acting up. But normally my skin is like around this type of complexion, like this type of blemishes and acne on this side. But this month she just acting up. So all the items I'm gonna be using are drugstore items. Let's get started. So I already add a moisturizer on my face, and the moisturizer that I use is the Origin Perfect World with SPF 40, and this you can get on the Origin website. This is very good. I have this for a very long time and I've been using it, and it's really good for me, for my skin. The next product I'm gonna use is this. I use it as my primer, guys. I don't know why, but I like using it as my primer. It lasts a very long time. So okay, so since it's summertime, I use baby powder. I just put a little drop on my hand like this, not much, rub it, and then I just pat it on my face. So the product I'm going to use today is the NYX Total Control, and I have it in cappuccino and golden honey. So cappuccino, this is cappuccino and golden honey. So I'm going to use both of these for my blemishes. Make sure you're shaking your makeup. For the NYX, it was around $15 and something cents, around $17 each. For these are like very expensive. I normally use Maybelline Maybelline Super Stay. I normally use that product because it just holds a lot, and that one is very good too. But for my face, it just feels so heavy, like makeup just feels heavy on my face. But with this, it doesn't feel that heavy. So I'm gonna add a couple drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm put 12 drops of the cappuccino, and also gonna put the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 16 drops of the golden honey. So the machine is on. If you look, there's nothing coming out of it, just air, no makeup or anything coming out of it. So this is the control you have to use. So what I'm gonna do, since I put both makeup, I'm gonna mix it. So put my hand over it, get it bubble up, and get both of them mixed together. Okay, now it's mixed. I'm gonna put it on my face. It is all done. So there it is. I mean, you can see a little less of it, but I'm not gonna put any more on it. That's good enough for me for today. It does feel lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have makeup on my face at all, so that's a good thing about that. So what I'm gonna do next is, this is the Maybelline, the 30 Honey. This is the 30. So I'm gonna put it on my eyes. Put it here. And now I'll put it there. So this is like a simple look. Not a professional when it comes to makeup, to be honest with you. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are not as pro as some other makeup artists. So this is for you guys that are not professional, but you want something that is simple. You can, wear it, you can do it yourself. You don't have to spend so much money on items. So this I got at a 99-cent store, like a whole bunch for 99 cents. Instead of me using a brush, I just use this sponge. And because of the way how my face is, after like 2 use, I just toss these out. I get like 100 or so for like 99 cents, I believe, or 50 for 99 cents. To bake, I am not a good baker, guys. When it comes to baking, I am not a pro on that, so bear with me if it looks crazy. I'm gonna use is the Sacha buttercup, and I ordered this from Amazon. So you're gonna let that stay on for a few minutes, and then after that you brush it off. Again, I'm not going anywhere crazy, so I'm just gonna brush it off a little sooner than normal. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go with the eyebrows. So I got this from Walmart. This is a Maybelline Total Temptation, and this is finished. And then I have this in dark brown. So what I'm gonna do the getaway because I can't find the brush for this. So I'm gonna dip the brush in here and then fix my eyebrows with it. Eyebrows, check. Then now I am going to do my eyelids. So this I got one of the beauty supply store. All this stuff is our neutral colors in there. So this is the LA Pro concealer. I just have like a few drops in there. I'm gonna put a little, just a highlight on any of my eyebrows. Nothing crazy. Do one top. Lining my eyes. I want to put my eyes out because struggle be real. This is the Maybelline Master Contour. See, I use a lot of it. I had this for like a very long time. Fit me, and this is the blush number 40. Use my eyebrow pencil as a liner, and this is the brown color. Is Milani on Fire Red 895. And then I am gonna put the Maybelline Super Stay, and this color is 05 over that. And this is the LA Pro setting. Not much in there, but I should put on my eyelashes first before I put the setting, but hey, not a wrong way of doing stuff. These eyelashes I got at a beauty supply store, and this is number 19. And I'm using this strip lash adhesive, and this is with aloe. This doesn't itch my eyes, but the other ones itch my eyes. I don't know why, but I'd rather go with something that works. And this has been working, so no complaints there. Let it dry. And this, I'm putting this on the camera, so it's gonna okay guys, so here it is, a nice simple look that you can wear everyday makeup look. You see, you really don't see much of my blemishes, and it oxidized too, so you don't really need a whole lot of the makeup. But yeah, so you see it covered my acne scars. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have makeup on my face, which that's what I like about the Airbrush system. And also for the total drop, for the NYX total control drops, I love that I don't feel like it's makeup on my face. My face feels free, like it can breathe and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in the NYX, go ahead, definitely check it out. I got mine at Walgreens, and I had to return it a couple times because I got the wrong colors. So definitely, if you're buying like from Walgreens or Walmart or CVS, make sure you keep the receipts so you can return them. I did return mine a couple times, as I said before. The color I had is cappuccino and golden honey, and which the cappuccino is a darker color, and it matched my complexion. Yeah, it matched my complexion. It may look a little orangish or a little, I don't know, lightish on my face. I don't know, but so far it looks okay in my own opinion. On the camera it looks lighter, but that's because I had the bacon. I did the bacon on it, and I maybe put too much, but so far it looks good. When I get into the sun, it's gonna oxidize, and that light is gonna become really dark. It's gonna come out a little bit darker. But that is it for the drugstore foundation and the Airbrush makeup system. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Click that notification button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Crush away and lose it. Turn my nasal sewage to my late amusement. It's all that shit.